Hello again. Now I'm gonna teach you some keywords that you always gonna need in the airport while you are coming to Egypt. While you first step in the Egypt's land, you will use these words. So let's start with the first word, airplane. We call it طيارة. 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 Okay. And the word airport, we call it مطار. 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 Okay? And the word bag, we call it شنطة. شنطة. Can I hear it from you? شنطة. One more. شنطة. One more. شنطة. Well done. Okay. What about the pack bag? The pack bag. We call it شنطة ظهر. شنطة ظهر. شنطة ظهر. شنطة ظهر. ظهر means back. Okay. So شنطة ظهر. Okay. What about the handbag, which is you carry in your hand? We call it شنطة إيد. شنطة إيد. شنطة إيد. Okay. شنطة إيد. And the place that you weight your luggage, we call it ميزان. 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 And the good thing that the next word is just same as the English. And this word is passport. Passport. In Egyptian Arabic we call it passport. Passport. So it's almost the same. Passport, it's just like passport. Entrance, we call it دخول. 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 Say it after me. Again. Again. Okay. دخول. And what about exit? We call it خروج. 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 And the word gate, gate, we call it بوابة. 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 Okay. What about the word officer? We call him ضابط. 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 And what about the word ticket? We call it تذكرة. 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 It's the ticket. تذكرة. تذكرة. Just two parts. تذكرة. Okay. What about the word stairs? In any airport you're gonna find a lot of stairs. So let me teach you the word stairs, and we call the stairs سلم. 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 Okay, got it? I think it's easy. سلم. سلم. Okay, now you got the keywords of the airport and you are ready now for the practice. So let's go to the next part.